Secure the torque converter assembly to the handler assembly using suitable shackle, the link brackets, and the straps on the both sides. Install the O-ring seal. Lubricate the bore of the O-ring seal lightly with the lubricant that is being sealed. Install the O-ring seal. Install the lifting bracket onto the torque converter assembly. The weight of the torque converter assembly is approximately 865 kilograms, 1,907 pounds. Position the torque converter assembly under the machine with the help of the handler assembly as shown. Ensure to lock the wheels of the handler assembly to arrest the movement. Remove the straps, the shackle, and the link brackets from both sides that secures the torque converter assembly. Attach a suitable shackle and a lifting device to the lifting bracket. The weight of the lifting bracket is approximately 58 kilograms, 128 pounds. Position the lifting bracket onto the torque converter assembly. Install the bolt and the nut. Tighten the bolt to the recommended torque. Use the lifting brackets and the lifting device to raise and install the torque converter assembly onto the engine. Note that the torque converter assembly needs to be rotated by approximately 90 degrees as the torque converter assembly is raised to install onto the machine. Install the torque converter assembly. Install all the mounting bolts of the torque converter assembly. Remove the bolt and the nut of the lifting bracket. Remove the lifting bracket. Remove the bolts and the lifting bracket. Install the tube assembly, the grommet, the clips, and the bolt. Connect the tube assembly. Install the grommet, the clips, and the bolts. Connect the hose assemblies. Install the spacer, the grommet, the clips, and the bolt. Install the rod. Tighten the rod to the recommended torque. Install the rod. Install the spacers, the grommet, the clips, and the nuts. Connect the harness assembly and install the cable straps. Connect the hose assemblies. Connect the hose assembly and install the clip. Install the bolt. Connect the harness assembly and install the cable strap. Connect the hose assemblies and install the clip. Install the cable straps. Connect the hose assembly and install the clip. Connect the harness assembly and install the cable straps. Connect the hose assembly. Install the grommet, the clips, and the bolt. Connect the hose assembly. Install the O-ring seals and the adapters. Connect the hose assemblies. Unlock the wheels of the handler assembly. Move the handler assembly away from the machine. Install the mudguard, the plate, and the bolts. Install the main drive shaft. Install the gear pump. Remove the body retaining pin and lower the truck body. Steer the front wheels to the center. Remove the wheel chocks.